लाइट ऑन करो ना शो पे।
So guys, questions ready?
हाँ नहीं नहीं इसी आर्टिकल को।
Behind the seat. Mobile se. Yeah. Now.
क्या? मैम लुक क्या? मैम लुक।
Look center.
Done.
Look center.
लाइट बंद किया क्या?
Thank you.
लुक किया? सर ग्लास निकल दे। Yeah, done. बोलो बोला है चार आ गए.
Done. वाइट मारेगा ना बहुत यहाँ पे अच्छा है
How are you guys?
Tell us how the journey is, how it started, the whole Mission Dreams Media. Tell us.
Okay, thank you so much, guys, to be here. I'm so glad. And Mission Dreams is one of my dreams, which was like from since I dreamed from last 6 years. And it took me 4 years to execute this journey. So today I'm here as a producer. So yeah, it started from 2 years back from a beauty pageant called Mission Dreams Pageants. And this year we are starting Mission Dreams Media. It's totally a production house level. Yeah. Okay, Mission Dreams Media is specially an independent platform for every aspiring models and those who are really talented, but because of some kind of problems, they are not getting proper chance to showcase their talents. And here we will cast them, the talents from different corner of the country, and we will produce. Web series, even feature films, even music videos under the banner of Mission Dreams Media, and we will promote them, we will launch them, we will we'll do everything. We'll produce, we will promote, we will launch, and we will.
Have you met anybody from the industry? As you said, you're helping all the aspiring models who are here in Mumbai to do.
Please repeat once again. I didn't
You
understand.
met anyone here in Mumbai?
I met anyone. Did you ask? I met anyone. Okay.
Any aspiring model who are here in Mumbai to do something big in the industry, in the glamour world, and
These are my models actually from last year. They are my pageant winners, and I have the responsibility to build their careers. That's why I am here right now in front of you guys, because one commitment was made 1 year back, and this year we are fulfilling it. As of now we are starting with music videos. Even day before yesterday I have signed a contract with the MX Player. Even we are going to create something really big, something really amazing, and it's gonna release very soon.
the delay happened just because of COVID happened. If I'm not wrong.
Yeah, exactly. Even in between the COVID also, we shot 3 different music videos. Yeah.
You contacted any directors or writers for your music videos or film?
Yeah. You must
From
have.
the film industry.
Yeah. Actually, you must have heard the song. Sorry. Sabi Singh from actually he works with Milan Gaba. He was the director of my first song, and the entire team, and also I am hiring some of my core people. I'm basically from Kolkata. Right now, I'm trying to shift over here, but basically I'm from Kolkata, and my core team is from Kolkata. My DOP and director, they are from Kolkata. Yeah. Of course, yes. Even this year itself, we just had our last pageant in 2020 December. After that, I got a message from USA. There is a pageant, international pageant, which is called Miss Ultranational. It's an international level. They are giving me the franchise for the same. So definitely we will do something, globally, internationally. Then we will do something, production also international level. Yeah, it's all like said. I'm working on it. Singers. Yeah. Singers. There are many singers who are like associated with us. One of here who composed my song. Please come here. Yeah, come here. Please come. Vivek Kar. He is the one of the Bollywood's most amazing composer. Even he worked with a lot of singers. He is the composer of my song. Please ask him some questions.
Yeah, I did 3 songs for her, which will be releasing in Z Music, and we have got all known singers. We are also planning a feature movie, taking directors from South, which we are co-producing, and the directors who have worked with actors like Vikram Chian, Mahesh Babu. So those kind of directors we are collaborating with. Yeah, that's it. या मेरा लास्ट गाना आपने देखा होगा तू भी रोएगा विच क्रॉस 100 मिलियन एंड उससे पहले इश्क करे बर्बादी विद अंकित तिवारी अरिजीत सिंह के साथ मेरा इश्क सो या हम लोग वी आर डूइंग दोज काइंड ऑफ सैड सॉन्ग्स ही बेसिकली कर रहे हैं आजकल एंड नथिंग सच आई कैन नॉट रिवील बिकॉज म्यूजिक लेवल के साथ हमारा
projects are there. As of now, he don't want to reveal. Even there is my project he is working with. Even right now, he can't reveal. We will launch. We will do a launch party for sure. Then you can be able to hear it.
आप लोग भी म्यूजिक लेबल लॉन्च कर रहे हैं सब
नो वी आर डूइंग फॉर रिकॉर्ड लेवल
फॉर अदर म्यूजिक लेबल यू विल प्रोड्यूस दैट
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
working as a producer. Yeah.
या नो आई एम जस्ट नॉट वांट टू से तू भी रोएगा माही तू भी रोएगा बस एक ही लाइन दिस वाज माय लास्ट सॉन्ग एंड यस विथ हर आई डिड 2 ब्रेकअप सॉन्ग्स एंड 1 रिक्रिएशन एंड अपकमिंग इसी महीने रिलीज होने वाले कुछ दैट्स इट So I just want to wish Priya all the best. I know her since 4-5 years and we have been working, collaborating. तो हमारी फीचर फिल्म जा रही है विथ आई टोल्ड यू एज ए लिस्टर डायरेक्टर ए लिस्टर एक्टर्स एंड जो मूवी हम करें बिल्कुल लाइक यू विल गेट टू नो इन 3-4 days विल बी अनाउंसिंग दोज प्रोजेक्ट्स
बस हिंदी फिल्म
हिंदी फीचर फिल्म्स
आफ्टरवर्ड अदर
हाँ and directors I just again saying that A lister directors we have collaborated with a big like studio जो releasing partners है yeah we'll be revealing in 3-4 days. Thank you.
will also give them chances in
Yes they are collaborated. We just made contracts official
Already,
contract
yeah.
तो इनके साथ म्यूजिक वीडियो हम लोग कर रहे हैं सो 2 गाने हम लोग मॉरिशस में कर रहे हैं एंड बॉम्बे में कर रहे हैं एक गाना सो या
who will be the music directors
I'm the composer and singers will be all known.
your good name sir
Vivek Kar. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, can you repeat? So, yeah. So I came in contact with Priya ji and she told me that the talent from different fields, they should be highlighted and they should be given a chance to go ahead. So that is how we started and definitely as a sports person, it's the first time for me, so it's a new journey for me. So just hoping my best that the start will be good. As of now, as a co-star, that is a responsibility that is given to me. But definitely, as a team, it's a speed skating. It's a speed skating. No, basically, I am also athlete and I am playing for India. So I have been a captain for Indian team for many years and India's fastest skater and have been national champion for many years. Also been awarded with the Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Award and just looking forward. Yeah, I have got an Asian medal in the Asian Championship. It's a bronze medal that we got it for the first time for our country. It's in 2016.
start there are numerous female who turn up in Bollywood in Mumbai want to do something in the big
Yes.
event as well. Do you think it's a good start by getting a platform to explore yourself, showcase your talent?
I think absolutely with such a wonderful co-star and such a wonderful team, and it's I think it's both the ways. And for me also it's the first time, and for him also it's the first time. And for the platform to launch something, to launch a music video, it's for them also it's the first time. And also we're trying to kind of promote fresh talent. So I think we're just living examples for fresh talent, and I think it's a beautiful opportunity, of course, because to be honest, I'm exploring because um, it's something very new for me. So I'll be exploring. I'll be seeing if it, if I have to go further or how's it working for me. But I'm really enthusiastic about it and very, very, very excited.
Everything got digital, because of COVID.
Absolutely.
Fortunately or unfortunately.
Yeah.
We have seen big films releasing on the OTT platform.
Yes.
Do you think it's another advantage for you?
Definitely, it's a big advantage because what happens many times, people from like I belong to a skating fraternity, and mostly people from the cricket fraternity, they have been given chance. So they always keep on getting chances. But for a new face or for a new field like us, it's definitely a big thing for us.
I think it's definitely a pro for me because घर बैठे बैठे कितने लोगों को आपका टैलेंट आप कितने लोग आपका
Exactly.
टैलेंट देख सकते हैं not just your country but worldwide. So you can do wonders if you use this platform effectively, and given a chance, I'm really lucky and blessed. So I think I'll make the most of it.
Who is your communication? Who is your communication team?
Sorry?
Who is your communication team?
As of now, we're not aware of it, but communication trainer, as in like who's been my communication trainer?
You have excellent communication skills.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. No, I don't think I've taken any communication classes, but I love talking to people and I love talking about my life, especially. So yes, here I am.
Thank you so much.
Thank
You
you.
are inspired by the Bollywood actors and actresses. Can you name who has inspired you? आप इस फील्ड में आए हैं
हाँ जी.
तो कौन से एक्टर एक्ट्रेस से आप इंस्पायर हो या जानते हो कि ऐसा करना चाहिए दे आर वेल सक्सेस
I think for me, it's always been Shushmita Sen because I come from a pageantry background, and obviously even she's from a pageant background, and she's made our country so proud. So today, standing here, starting my journey with a pageant, of course.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा also came from
Yes, Priyanka Chopra, we have Diya Mirza, and so many other, Aishwarya Rai. We have so many people, but for me it's always been Shushmita Sen because she's a wonderful speaker. She can actually touch so many people's hearts with her story, So I feel that with your story, if you can inspire a million more people, I think that's where you connect. So it's always been her for me, and yes, Shushmita Sen is my inspiration. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so I always had a dream to be a beauty queen, and fortunately I got Mission Dreams, and I'm very lucky that my dream has been come true, and hoping to have a great and a bright future ahead. Not now, but surely I know they'll had something for me, something big for me. Definitely they'll have something nice. Okay, so I really adore Priya ma'am. She is a gem, and she loves to, take up small girls to a very big platform, and that's a very great thing. Even I am not at all from this background. My family, all they are from medical background, and I'm here being a model. It's just because of her. She, trained me to be confident, to be yourself, and trust on whatever you have, and just be yourself. That's it. Yeah. Okay, so आज finale है उनका, so I really want to सब जीते. Obviously everyone gives their hard work, everyone pays a lot of hard work, and being from Maharashtra, I also wanted to be something like she should come from Maharashtra. I hope. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, so I'll share my purpose. Being a medical student, I always wanted to contribute my life towards the health of women or a girl child. And being a medical student and being into a modeling industry, I really want to work for the menstrual hygiene project and preparing for that. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Introduce yourself, ma'am.
My name is Kushbu Shivani. I am. My name is Kushbu Shivani. I am a homemaker and I have 2 kids. And I participated in Mission Dream 2020 for Mrs. India contest. And that's it. Oh. I didn't have.
How you got in contact with them?
Yeah. I saw Muskan's profile, and we are from same city. Uh, then I thought I also do something that's
Creative.
yes,
Something creative.
yeah. वेल मैं उनको ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि हम होम मेकर के साथ साथ अपने अगर पैशन पूरा करना चाहते हैं और वी आर डेडिकेटेड अबाउट दैट तो वी डेफिनेटली कंप्लीट दैट सो बी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड बी बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you so much.
Sure. Hello guys, my name is Poonam Bilil, second runner-up of Mission Dreams Miss India Season 2. So, a very big thanks to Mission Dreams. Just look at me and look at my fellow contestants. Like on stage, I was yawning. Finale ke din, I was yawning. Oh shit, तेरा तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला. There are more beautiful girls and heighted girls. Look at Muskan. Look at the winner of season 2. Like, हाँ नहीं होने वाला तो घर ऐसे ही जा. And suddenly, and second runner-up goes to Miss Poonam, and I was like, yes, it's me. Mission Dreams. Actually, season 1 में I gave audition, but because of some financial condition मैंने बैकआउट कर लिया. But मुस्कान से मेरी बात होती रही एंड उन्होंने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से गाइड किया कि गो फॉर इट. एंड प्रिया मैम से बात हुई कि हाँ ऐसा है, गो फॉर इट. उन्होंने मेरे पेरेंट्स से बात किया एंड देन यस, कुछ नहीं तो कुछ ही सही, हाँ सब टाइटल तो लेकर आऊँगी घर पे. एंड देन सी लुक एट दिस. Well, I'm speechless right now, but it's a great platform. आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स, आपके वीकनेसेस, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग आपको डे बाय डे पता चलते जाएंगे. वो 3 to 4 days जो हमारे मिशन ड्रीम्स के साथ रहे हैं और आगे भी जो कंटेस्टेंट्स रहने वाले हैं, आपको स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेसेस के बारे में पता चलेगा. एंड यस, एक्सप्लोर करने मिलेगा, खुद ही को आप अच्छे से जान पाएंगे. एंड देन यस, थैंक यू सो मच.
Yes. Achha. Okay, I'm Salman Gowda, International Fashion Director, Fashion Connoisseur, and been associated with Mission Dreams as a show director, and from the start itself. And yeah. So we've been working with Priya for a good long time, from her own build-up as a career. So we had groomed her during our operation period, and it has been a lovely journey working with Mission Dreams. A great platform for youth and young with the vision to promote and excel the local talent. So they work on hunting the raw talent from the grassroots. We has been working as a consultant for various pageants and fashion weeks. So we are associated with Rajasthan Fashion Week, Dubai International Fashion Week, even International Fashion Goa, and so on. So even for Priya, as I told just a few minutes back, that we had been working on our own development of career. So we had groomed her in various pageants she had participated before. So that has been our journey. So we had been guiding her through the whole process. So it has been long-term association. That's one thing. See, the only thing I would say is be true to yourself. You should know what your strengths are, and you should know what your weaknesses are. So only thing I say, when you walk the ramp or the stage, reflect your strengths and cover your weaknesses, because no one is perfect. That's a simple way. Okay, what I would say is work on yourself, be confident. Being a model is a person who is reflecting to the public, being an idol, in short. So, but as a profession, it has more challenges. You have to stand out, you have to have parallel interest and passion to work. And the industry is still growing, so they need to have a lot of knowledge. So I would say is gain a lot of knowledge, not just do or work on shortcuts to participate. That's where they have a short come of careers. So have knowledge on what is going in the trend. Fashion, it is all about being trendy, working on yourself, associating, networking, and having all the right knowledges. I would even love to introduce my colleague, Mr. Sanjay, an international fashion. Ajo.
Hey guys, what's up?
He's a renowned fashion director.
What's
So,
up?
Yeah.
Hi.
We're working together for a good long time.
Yeah. So first of all, it feels so delightful to see all here. Thank you so much for coming down here and making us feel more happy. Thank you so much. And coming back to this, oh my God, this feels unreal, because post year like last year we couldn't believe that something like this could happen after this huge pandemic, which has brought all the entire world into a certain situation. But yes, we are primarily very happy for all the contestants out there, and love you all, and I wish you all very very best, and just make it bigger, make it bigger. Okay, yeah, okay. So we've been talking a lot about the winners, but yes, one thing which I'm really happy about, that each winner, every contestant has brought a very nice change in themselves. Having said that, I'm sure they know what they want to do in their lives, and they are very much clear about it, and I'm sure they're going to be doing really, really, really big in their coming life. So all the best for them.
Mission Dreams will help them.
Absolutely, Mission Dreams have
Mission, in short, change is permanent.
Yeah.
वो तो रहेगा ही रहेगा. Change is permanent. Mission Dream is a platform which will guide them. Their change and their learning is their own. They have to imbibe their own skills and talents. Mission Dream is a platform which will just keep on guiding throughout. And we will be there too.
Yes, exactly. Mission Dream has always been there since day one, because we know since Mission Dream started 2 years back, and we were really excited to make such a platform where the real talent can come up front, and without any hesitation they can go forward and do their best. So we're really, really happy today. This is happening with those beautiful ladies standing out there smiling brightly. So it's all happy. It's all happy all around.
Yeah, and Mission Dreams is a guiding light, and so are you, the media. So you, media, is the one who is
Yes.
actually will be promoting them as strongly as we are.
Yes.
So rightly, you need to push these local grassroots talented who has really worked from their own efforts.
Yes.
So you, media, have to keep supporting and pushing them, and always giving them positive vibes. So all
Thank
the
you so
best,
much for
guys.
being so
Love
positive.
you all.
Thank you.
All the best. Thank you.
Okay, fine. So, I'm Muskan Lim. I am 18 years old, and I had participated in Mission Dreams when I was 16. And by the time I when we'd gone for the pageant, I was 17, and I won when I was 17. So, achieving this title at the age of 17 actually really changed a lot of things for me, as well as for the community that I stayed in, and it's made my family and my community and my friends so proud. And so it's basically a platform wherein you can explore so much about yourself, and it teaches you a lot of things. It makes you realize what your strengths and what your weaknesses are, and that's what it did for me as well. So I know a lot more about myself, what I have changed. I've evolved as a person so much, and it's all because of Mission Dreams and the platform that they have given me. So many kudos to them for this, and yes, you can go ahead with the question. Yes. I I was actually in my 10th grade when I saw Manushi Chiller winning Miss World. So since then I was so inspired. You know, it fueled so much passion inside of me to actually go into pageantry, and I really wanted to experience that same moment just like she did. I wanted to have the crown on my head. It wasn't my childhood dream like other people say, but I was 15 when I started dreaming about it. And then I was looking for pageants, you know, which allow girls under 18 years of age to participate in beauty pageants. And I found this national platform and I went for it. And yes, you can, here I am. Yes, of course, it's a music video coming up with Niklesh, and it'll be here very soon. Thank you so much.
And avoid your cell phone. Avoid your cell phone. Look here. One more wait. Hard. Wait.
All of you look here. Yes.
एक यहाँ पे सब दिखेगा. Thank you. Thank you.
Only 5. Excuse me, Javier.
Look this camera.
Look here.
Excuse me. Look Ratan camera. Wait.